What is up, guys? Hi, Sean here. Since Hidden Fates is rare to find in my section of Fresno, I'm gonna open this, a Unified Minds 3-pack blister with Vikavolt. I'll be back once I get the sleeves. Alrighty, guys, I am back with the sleeves for my Elite Trader box. Now I can open it up. Yeah, you can see some Pokemon in the background. Like my other Unified Minds video, my grandpa just likes to decorate. Yeah, I'm gonna sleeve up this Vikavolt ASAP. Unified Minds. We have 1 pack out, 2 packs, and 3 packs. You can get the card out. Don't want to damage it though. Let's see, come on. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that out. Yes, we can. And then the coin. Let me get that out off camera. Yep, the coin is a Rowlet. Really very nice. I'll put that in the background. Here's the Vikavolt promo card. Let's check the condition. Not too bad of the condition, but it's warped though. But have a code. Why not have a code? We're gonna sleeve this sleeve up this Vikavolt right now because it's beautiful. It takes me a bit to get the sleeves, but today's sleeves I'm using the ETB sleeves from my Elite Trainer box opening. Very, very nice. Putting that in the background as well. Sorry, Sylveon. I can't see Sylveon's head though. Put those packs to the side, and we are gonna see what we can get. Now, the main card you want is the Hyper Mew and Mewtwo. Though that is worth about $205 right now to date. That's the card that you want. Ooh, first, see what we can get. I'll show you the code in a second. See what we can do. Out of this, I'll say metal. Nope, it was a lightning energy. Got Azelf, Dene, Minion, Meditite. Getting Hall is good though. Actually, Noibet, Seawaddle, Skorupi, Wimpod, the reverse is Rayo, and it's a Alolan Raichu holographic. I am okay with that. I love Alolan Raichu. It's one of my favorite Alolan Pokemon to date. Alolan Raichu Holo Rare. Let's open this other dog, Ryan Umbria. Getting a tag team is good though. I just hope we can get a tag team. See what we can do. Oh yeah, I forgot to give the code out from that other pack. Here's that code before we go any further. I'll just put the energy to the side. And it was a leaf energy. Let's see what we can do now. Oh. We got a Vitamin Z. Blizzard Town. Why not? Axew. Fleshender. Stunfisk. Onyx. Brilliant. And the reverse is Swadloon, which is the card that I don't have at. I am done. This is so desperate. Shh. Sorry, guys. My little cousin is distracting me from the video. We got 2 out of all of those ultras that we need to complete our sorry, Rowlet, our thing. And sorry, Mew. Hopefully you got that code. I'm gonna go with the Mewtwo now. I was thinking we'd do the Mewtwo second, but who knows? Could have done the Mewtwo last, but yeah, we're gonna have, you have the last code, and yeah, I think I'll just do the 3 to the front and not show the energy, which is just the water. I'm just gonna tell you that. We got the normal on Z, Habu, Magneton, Sneasel, Magnemite, Slackoff, Axew, Fletchender, the Reverse Dratini, and Gumshoots in regular rare. To summarize this, to be honest with you, this was a very good opening. We hit the jackpot, and I'll show you those pulls right now. And just pull them from the back. A Vicable Hollow promo card. Another one, Raichu Hollow Rare, and Beyond Antioxys. Yeah. I am on the hunt for the whole set, so getting that and that is a good thing. And Rowlet, you did a good job giving us the goods. Yeah. So hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below what's your favorite card, and you might have the chance to enter a giveaway for this Rowlet coin. So simply subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below your favorite card from this 3-pack opening. It is Icy Jeremiah from Icy Glaceon. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.